Hey y'all, my name is Joelle and I am here on YouTube as Coastal Bassline and Coastal Bassline Eats. You're tuned in to Coastal Bassline Eats, and what I made today is my signature baked macaroni and cheese from scratch. And what I'm gonna present to you is the recipe for how you can make it yourself. Stay tuned, it's delicious. I'm gonna eat some right now. I've been waiting for this. Yum. At last. Anyway, if you want to know how to make this yourself, stay tuned because you're in the right place. Okay, great. So the first step is to gather our main ingredients, which are macaroni pasta and cheddar cheese. What you see me doing here is using the pan or the dish that I'm going to bake the macaroni and cheese in to help me measure how much macaroni pasta I need to cook. And I actually learned this trick in college when I was making macaroni and cheese a lot, that this actually helped me measure out the right amount. Now I am preparing my cheese, so I like to grate my cheddar cheese because the types of cheese that I usually buy might be Tillamook. In this case, it's Trader Joe's cheddar cheese. I really like sharp cheddar cheese, and so I like to buy the block of cheese that I like and grate it myself. But of course, you can buy the cheddar cheese grated. There's no problem with that, and it's still gonna make a really great cheese sauce. Awesome, now that we have the cheese grated and the pasta cooking, it's time to make the cheese sauce. So we'll start with 2 tablespoons of butter, and we'll get that melted. Then we add the chopped onion. It's a quarter onion chopped up, and I like to cook the onion until it's translucent and starts to get slightly brown. Once the onion has been cooked to your liking, it's time to move on to make the roux, which will be the base of the cheese sauce. So I added 2 more tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour as well. Then here I added 1 cup of milk, and the next step is to make all of those ingredients come together as one into a sauce. Perfect. As you can see here, we have an initial sauce, and now we'll make it a cheese sauce by adding 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese and mixing it in until it is combined, and it's going to be so delicious. Delicious cheese sauce complete. Perfect, so now we have our cooked pasta and we have our cheese sauce ready to go. So it's time to assemble the macaroni and cheese to be baked. We'll start first by adding the cheese sauce to the cooked pasta in a bowl. Once the cheese sauce has been mixed in, the final two ingredients come up. The first is salt to taste, which is about a quarter teaspoon in this case, and then 1 egg to help our macaroni and cheese bake together as one. Once they're all mixed together, I'll go ahead and add the mixture to the baking dish. In this case, it's a 2-quart rectangular Pyrex dish. One quick note is that the dish was buttered, and I like to do that when I bake macaroni and cheese. Last but not least, we're going to top off our dish with the final cup of grated cheddar cheese so that our macaroni and cheese can have a nice topping. Put it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it until it's cooked all the way through, which in this case was 20 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you guys try this recipe, please let me know. Comment below, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Enjoy, and I'll see you again soon here on YouTube.